Do you have any message for our audience and young doctors who are listening to you?
Yeah, the first thing is all the young doctors, I want to give a very clear message. I know it is very hard. I'm sure most of you are already doing your PG, or you're in the process of doing it, or you're appearing for the PG. Am I right in my assumption?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. My advice to all of you is that doesn't matter what PG seat is it, whether it's a MD or through the National Medical Commission or a DNB or a diploma or whatever. Try to get a PG seat in any specialty of your choice and never give up. If you can't get it here, try to appear for the PLAB or a USMLE or whatever, go somewhere and get the PG seat, because in this country, the regulation simply doesn't allow you to do anything more than just giving some basic drugs to the patients without a postgraduate qualification. And doesn't matter which institution where you get the PG seat. There is no patient has ever asked me where I got my training from. It doesn't matter where you get. Some people have a dream, I have to do MS only in AIIMS Delhi. Doesn't matter. It doesn't matter what you have done during your MS. What matters is what you do after that. So just try to, and don't be obsessed in, some people have this thing about, oh, I need to top the university, top the college. It doesn't matter. What matters is how many hours you have spent with the patient. Some people spend all the time in the library trying to get as much information as possible, try to learn everything about the subject. But what matters is not how many hours you sat in the library and got the information. All the information, you can get it in your phone with the Google or one of those, the search engines. What matters is how many hours you have spent with the patient and how happy you made the patient. These are the only things what matters. That is what you learn during your PG. And as I said, work very, very hard to become some type of a specialist, even with a diploma degree, because that will make a huge, huge difference in your life. So this is my advice to all of you.